fried dough are tiny discs of toothsomeness made of sugar and everything nice, leaving the spice out of the mix. You are going to need refined flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, salt, butter, powdered sugar and oil. Take a large bowl, add flour, sugar, baking powder, salt and softened butter. Mix everything together and add milk. This will make the dough soft. Roll some balls of dough and give them a round shape with a rolling pin. Meanwhile, heat oil in a pot and fry dough till it gets golden brown in color. The fried dough should have a crispy texture from the outside. Take out the fried dough on tissue paper and sprinkle powdered sugar on top of it and serve immediately. Your fried dough is ready. That's all for today. See you in the next video.